You gonna touch it?
Now, what do you think? There's a big, ugly fish.
Did you see it? Look. No. Let's keep looking over here. That thing freaked me out at first. Up there? What's up here? Oh, look. Yeah. Oh, look, there's a stingray. And that shark. Another one. That. Oh, another dog. Do you see the otters? Yeah, kind of. Oh, there's one right there. Zoe, look at the big catfish. What? Ooh, here's a big one. Oh my gosh. Ooh, I'm scared I'm gonna drop my phone. He thinks we're gonna feed him. How big he is. Look at him, Zoe. Touch it. Oh, good job. Is it shiny? Yeah. It's so cool. That is huge. I got it. Look at those big teeth, Zoe. Those big teeth. He's an old tortoise, huh? He's big.
I'm not gonna put it in.
Why don't you go stand next to him so we can see how big he is? He's not gonna hurt you. See, that's a big tortoise, huh? He's watching you. He's wondering what you're doing back there. All right, you can come back over here. What do you think of the tortoise, Missy? You want to get down. No. Zoe, look at the ostrich. No, go pet it. I'm scared too.
I'm not gonna pet anything.
Hello there. Oh my goodness.
More than you.
I know. He's playing peekaboo. Emus. Zoe, you see the emu? There's some big old squirrels.
This.
Woo! Zoe, they're so cute. More up there. Zoe, what do you think? You were so big. Can you imagine riding on one of those, Noah? Like back in the day, you know, during biblical times, they used to ride on those. Yeah. Can you imagine? Look how tall he is. He's so pretty. Hello. And then there's cows.
Is that bigger than the bull that we saw at the Houston?
Yeah, he's pretty big.